Alexa, what is Dinosaur Planet from Discovery Channel?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Wikipedia.org, Dinosaur Planet is a four-part American nature documentary that aired on the Discovery Channel as a special two-night event on December 14th and 16th, 2003.
For many years, the Frieza Force has been discovering new planets and new species of intelligent life every day. So tonight, we're gonna draw Tagoma from Dragon Ball Resurrection F. Basically, Tagoma is a member of the Frieza Force, and he's been training under the orders of Frieza. And well, he's been he's been training under his. He's been fighting alongside him for so long that his body's basically made out of steel. Basically, that was the only time we saw Tagoma in action. There we go. There's Tagoma's upper half. Now we draw the rest of his body. Here's his armor. Alexa, what is Saltosaurus?
Saltosaurus is a genus of Saltosaurid dinosaur of the late Cretaceous period of Argentina. Small among sauropods, though still heavy by the standards of modern creatures, Saltosaurus was characterized by a short neck and stubby limbs. It was the first genus of sauropod known to possess armor of bony plates embedded in its skin.
Oh, that's interesting. He looks a lot like Terminator. There's his hand. Now for the rest of his arm. And there he is. That is Tagoma. Don't worry, folks. I still got more characters like this on the way. So please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. I'm always taking requests. And have a good winter break.